What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people of Baribag. Once again, nandito na naman ang inyong, ano pa nga ba? Ang inyong dynamic duo. I am Yeza from BSCE.
At ako naman si RD from BSME, and everyone, this is Calle 5 and you have now reached your destination.
Ang tugon,
Tres
tres lamang
lamang
po. So yun na nga partner, napakaraming buwan ang lumipas before nasundan ng ating podcast, no? Ang tagal, siguro
Ang
I think
tagal.
it's 2 months.
Yeah, 2 months na hindi tayo nakabalik. So thankfully, we're back at here again. So,
Na-miss nyo ba kami?
na-miss nyo ba kami?
Dapat na-miss nyo.
Nawala kami
Joke lang.
for almost 2 months
Yeah.
because of those many activities na naganap. And speaking of activities, I think marami tayong marirecap for the
Yes,
past
napakarami
months.
ng ma-recap natin. Unang-una sa lahat, November, for the month of November. Doon naganap ang Civil Engineering Licensure Exams wherein ang Sorsogon State University ay nakaproduce ng 19
Wow.
passers, and bukod pa doon, yung mga bagong takers natin, naka-garner sila ng 100% passing rate.
So, congrats sa Civil Engineering
Yes.
Department for that napakalaking achievement.
Yes,
napakalaking
yes.
achievement. But I believe that's not all.
Hindi lang yun ang lahat. December wala tayo kasi I believe finals. Tapos ang daming mga kaganapan talaga in terms of ACADS. Tapos nag-holidays.
Yeah.
And then January. Andito ganito kahaba ngayon.
Ganon.
Ganon.
Ganon ka.
Ay, wait, natatapak.
Hindi!
So, for the month of January, nakaproduce ulit ng 19 newly licensed architects ng ating university. At nag-garner ito ng 84.62%
Wow.
passing rate.
Congratulations
Grabe.
to our newly
Kinain
licensed
nila yung
architects.
ale.
Kinain nila ang
Bip-bip.
bip-bip. But anyways, aside from the Archie, I believe the civil engineering also won the second runner-up sa 10th Intercollegiate Aggregates Quiz. And to our quizzers, Estrito Harabo Jr., John Renz Waing, and Matthew Manzanares, a big congratulations to all of you.
Yes, also para din sa kanilang coach, which is si Engineer Jerry Jake Jun Hayagan. May isa pa. Meron din tayong CE Prof,
Pro.
na nakakapasa lang ngayon sa bar exam. Si Attorney Engineer. Wow.
Attorney
Engineer. Ang haba.
Ako kasi RD. Attorney. Di ko kasi reach.
At least, E and A.
Tama.
Diba?
Engineer. RT.
Oh, diba? Ang galing, witty. Witty ka dun, ma. Witty ka dun, ma. So, si Attorney Engineer Elton John G. Duana. Nakapasa niya lang noong September 2025.
Sa bar exam.
Sa bar exam.
Congratulations, Engineer Attorney Duana. Congratulations po.
Duana ang
Duana.
license niya. Next is...
Oh, and also, we would also like to mention na there is a 100% win rate in the 23rd Region 5 Tertiary Schools Press Conference sa publication ng main campus, which is ang Artificer.
Wow,
Congratulations.
galing.
And
Also, 6 of them ay qualified for the Luzon-wide Higher Education Press Conference.
wow, that's a big step
Oo,
for the
oo.
journalism and publication of the main campus. Congratulations po sa
Congratulations.
Artificer. And as our tradition sa podcast na ito, we would read some of your entries na sinend nila sa
Yes.
Google Forms. And sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang aming Google Forms ay nakapublish sa aming Facebook page, which is the Generatrix. So, ayan, nakikita nyo doon ang forms na pwede nyo pagsamitan ng entries, kwento na nais nyo ibahagi,
Chismis.
or chismis,
Diba?
na lagi pwede nyo ibahagi sa ating College of Engineering and Architecture. And
Yes.
speaking of entry,
Magbabasa ka.
magbabasa kami. Ako,
Ika.
ng entries sa aming responses. And sa napakaraming responses, may pili tayong isang response na babasahin. So, anonymously, dalawa kami ng tropa ko nun. Tapos first year pa kami. Tapos napalabas kami ng room A23 kasi naingayan ata sa amin si sir. Tapos yung tenga kami sa canteen ng 2 hours, lesson yun yung bagong topic. Which is derivatives of trigonometric functions. And since napalabas kami, wala kaming alam. And expected na namin na kinabukasan sa board work, kami yung unang tatawagin. Kaya nag-gmeet kaming magtotropa para ma-share nila sa amin yung topic. Tapos kinabukasan, kami talaga yung unang tinawag ni sir para sa board work. Pero mali pa din. Mali pa din naman yung sagot namin. Great memory siya. 3rd year na kami ngayon and we love Sir Asti.
Everybody loves Sir Asti.
Everybody loves Sir Asti. Personally, if absent ka sa isang class and dinidiscuss yung one of the major topics of that subject, malaleft behind ka talaga.
Malaleft behind ka. Mahihirapan kang makahabol.
Kaya mantenga sila eh.
Yes.
2 hours sa canteen.
2 hours sila sa canteen. Grabe.
And may I just sing it lang?
Oh, go.
I also want to congratulate the first years of mechanical engineering students. Kasi very successful ang aming ME tutorials.
Wow.
Wala masyado bumagsak sa subject
sa
na
subject
calculus.
na calculus.
So I want to thank the tutorials for this napakagandang success for the
Yes.
first year engineer.
Ang laking achievement
Ang laking
nun,
achievement
actually.
mo.
Kasi tag dito, first year, syempre, yung talaga yung parang pinaka gusto mo mangyari. Calculus, sana makapasa. Stress lamang po, di ba?
Calculus is one of the core subjects na
Totoo.
engineering
Yes.
subject.
As what we have said sa last na episode.
But at least ngayon, 3rd year na sila.
Third year na sila. Nakasurvive.
Nakasurvive sila sa first year and second year and now they are hopefully surviving their third year sa ating college.
Right? So, tapos na ang recap of achievements. Tapos na rin ang pagbabasa ng mga responses.
I
Dahil
believe
papalapit na ang araw ng mga puso. Hulaan mo kung anong title.
Ano nga ba title ng ating podcast for today?
Ang title ay Love is in the Air sa
Kalye
Kalye
5. Love is in the air. So, speaking of love, siyempre kinakamusta natin ang utak
Yes.
as mga pagod.
Oo.
Pero kamusta hindi natin ang puso ng ating mga fellow engineer and architect sa ating college? Ikaw, kumusta ang utak at kumusta ang puso natin?
Nasamid ako
Napaubo ka ata.
In terms of utak, kaya pa naman.
Kaya pa naman. Surviving pa naman.
Surviving pa naman. And in terms of puso, kaya din.
Kaya din.
Basta equal sila parehas.
I believe kasi pwede natin correlate
Right, totoo.
Valentine's or love sa ating college, sa engineering
and architecture.
Like for example, the love languages.
Oo nga.
Speaking of love languages, ano nga ba ang love languages ng
Diba?
isang engineering and architecture student?
Kung kung itatranslate natin, yung 5 languages, kung itatranslate natin yun sa engineering and architecture, di ba kasi, ano ba yung 5 languages?
Physical touch.
Yes. Quality time. Words of affirmation.
I believe acts of service.
Acts of service.
And physical touch.
Receiving gifts.
Receiving
gifts.
So,
para sa iyo ba, partner? Ano ba yung concept of quality time para sa engineering and architecture student?
for me, yung quality time na pwede natin i-relate sa engineering, gaya nga ng nabasa nating response,
Yes.
nag-Gmeet sila.
Wow.
Nag-Gmeet sila para makasabay sa topic na na-miss nila. And I believe gawain talaga to
Oo,
ng
yes.
engineering, architecture,
It became
environment.
part of the routine talaga.
Yes. Na mag-Gmeet na, Gmeet tayo kasi hindi ko masyado gets
Yes,
yung
especially
topic.
if,
Turuan mo naman ako.
halimbawa, hindi mo feel na pumunta sa cafe to study.
Yeah.
Parang, gusto ko lang pumunta sa bahay, gusto ko lang sa bahay ngayon, mag-study sa bahay, pero I wanna do it with my friends.
Yes.
So, ano yung best option?
one, best
Gmeet,
way.
Zoom, di ba?
Kami, no, nag-Gmeet kami to like catch up with
Yes.
lessons na hindi namin. Kasi it's always best to study with groups, in
Oo,
groups.
in groups.
Kasi nakaka-brainstorm, may makakaturo ng mga
Nakaka-
topics in a more easier and more relatable student-to-student
Oo, student to
way.
student. Tapos, na-break na yung ice eh.
Yeah,
Kasi,
break ng ice.
tawag dito, syempre kapag minsan, pag prof kasi medyo nahihiya ka pa magtanong.
Tensionado.
Yes, ay, wow.
Di ba?
Kumanta siya.
But yeah, iba kasi ang dynamics pag it's
Student to
student.
student. Yes,
Parehas
totoo.
kasi minsan parehas wala alam. So,
Tapos
parehas may
parang
alam.
figuring it out together.
Yes. And that's okay.
Yes,
That's okay.
totoo.
If you're figuring out together, at least you're both trying to understand kung ano ba talaga ang dapat gawin.
Sabay-sabay tayong uunlad.
Sabay-sabay tayong unod sa pamilyang ito. And, syempre, sa engineering, singit ko lang, di ba sa engineering, there's a lot of formulas,
Yes, ang dami.
a lot of
Hindi mabilang sa kamay,
calculations.
totoo, yes.
And so, engineers, since month of love, we love formulas, right?
We
love
do.
Formulas. Ito yung given for required dito. Find this, find that. Very logical. Very clean. Pero yung love, girl, walang given yan. Walang given yan. Walang solution. Tapos biglang may quiz pa. You think you did everything right. You communicated. You cared. You were consistent. Tapos, boom! Undefined lang pala. Undefined lang pala.
Ang baitan.
Love is literally
Hindi.
not one problem na parang sinagutan mo ng 2
Yes.
pages only to find out na mali pala yung assumption mo.
Or hindi mo na-box.
Hindi mo
Na-box.
Or walang plus C. sa
Walang
goal.
arbitrary
Walang
constant.
arbitrary constant.
Sakit!
So anong score mo? Itlog. But
diba?
all of this is kaya ma-manage. Dapat, pagaya ng relationship, sa engineering, may balance.
Oo, may balance.
May balance of time, effort, and
Time, effort kung sa engineering, time and effort para makapasa.
sa love naman, time
Time and
and
effort para mag-work. ang
for
relationship.
each other.
Diba?
Yes.
Okay. After ng quality time, ano ang gusto mo sunod na talakayan?
Words of affirmation.
Words of
Words of
affirmation.
affirmation.
Words of affirmation kasi, I believe, hindi naman parang siya yung pinakamadali.
Yes.
It's just that, siya yung parang, in my own opinion, guys, ha? Disclaimer, this is just my own opinion. Words of affirmation, parang siya yung parang ang dali ma-receive, ang dali magkaroon ng effect.
Yes, oo.
Na halimbawa, mag-chat ka sa bebe mo, hello, may quiz ako tomorrow, ganyan-ganyan.
Tapos sasabihin, no, baby, you can do it. Study lang ikaw. I'm here for you. Madali tayong
Diba?
maapektuhan ng
Oo,
lalo ng
parang,
flattering words.
yes, flattering
Yes.
words. I believe, kung ano yung parang very very, the same din sa engineering at sa relationship.
Of course. Kasi, of course, di naman perfect ang relationship.
Totoo.
And of course, in engineering, there's also failures.
There are also
But upon these failures, we engineers kasi, we don't fear failure.
We don't fear
analyze.
failures. Yes,
We
totoo.
analyze failures. So, just like engineers and sa relationships, engineers, we don't just fear failure. We analyze it. So, if you had a failed relationship or kung ano man, pwedeng ang factor dyan, kung baga sa engineering, wrong material compatibility. Poor design.
Yun.
Or, pwede namang hindi talaga fit for the environment. And you know what? Sometimes, that's okay in a relationship perspective. Because every failure gives data, and that data leads to better decisions next time.
Yes.
Kumbaga, character development.
Right?
And dyan papasok ang words of affirmation. You failed. Ano yung gusto mo marin? It's okay.
It's okay.
Or you're
Pero,
doing great.
Actually, naisip ko nito lang ha, na may own concept din ng words of affirmation ng mga engineering students. Una sa lahat, Sir, may remedial po. Yes. Diba?
Ganun agad.
Diba? Ganun agad eh.
Once marinig mo yung yes. Yes, may remedial
may
agad.
remedial.
So, instead of okay na yan, someone telling you na okay lang,
Oo.
or you can do it. Iba yung concept na may remedial eh.
Diba?
Iba yung dala sa atin eh.
Or kahit yung one of your profs, parang seeing how you're doing, na parang, uy, parang gumagaling ka.
Oh, parang
Nagiging better.
napapansin nila
Oo.
yung progress ng mga
Right.
students. Of course, may take back yun sa atin in a good way, of course.
Parang isa yun sa isa yun din sa parang dahilan ng student para mas pag-igihan pa,
Yes.
mas mag-strive pa.
But of
Tapos,
course, we don't just stop there na pag nasabihan tayo ng, oh, you're doing good, you're better than before.
Yes,
of course, we
yes.
don't stop there. We strive to be a better version of ourselves every day. Kaya dapat study.
Hindi lang yung magiging
study.
stagnant ka lang.
Yes.
Kasi mahirap kapag kapag naging stagnant ka lang. Kapag naging stagnant ka, hindi ka na nausad.
Yes, there's
hindi
no
ka
progress.
there is no progress anymore. Okay, so tapos na sa quality time. Words of affirmation.
May tatlo pa.
May tatlo pa. We still have physical touch,
Receiving
gifts, and acts of
Acts
service.
of service.
Okay, punta tayo sa physical touch. Ano ang concept of physical touch ng engineers and architects? I think, ako muna.
Go.
For example, you solved a board work problem na hindi mo inaasahan na masosolve mo siya kasi ganun siya kahirap. And then, your friend taps you on the shoulder. Galing mo, pre! Galing mo, pre!
Yes,
Diba?
galing mo.
Yes, galing mo.
Iba din yung, of course, na once a friend praises you when you did something right. Especially sa engineering.
Or kahit hindi niya sabihin ang galing mo, just a tap on
Just
the
a tap on the shoulder. Sometimes, everyone needs just a tap on their shoulder.
On their shoulders. Ano pa? What do you think? Kasi, tag dito, physical touch kasi sa engineering, parang engineering and architecture students, uso ba sa kanila yung physical touch?
Siguro ko, tinatouch. Siguro ko, of course, you will get to handle machines,
Yes. Sa
equipment,
equipment, right?
ginagamit mo, laboratory equipments, or equipments din on the workspace.
Oo,
Yun ang
equipments on the
siguro
work.
ang physical
Another
touch.
concept din of physical touch.
Yeah, physical touch. O kaya pag
Handling
mag-board
them
work ka,
properly.
handling them properly, of course.
Hindi yung yung bigla-bigla kayong, ito yung calculator, tapos bigla yung magkakaganyan. Hindi
Hindi yung
ganun.
bigla na lang nahulog yung calculator during exams,
Oo.
or yung mga dun. Hindi yung mga ganun.
Hindi ganun.
You should handle things carefully, especially mga gamit sa engineering workspace.
Totoo. So, parang yun lang ang concept of physical touch na makakorrelate natin sa Valentine's or sa
siguro.
love language.
Love language.
Ay, sa engineering, sorry. So, next is acts of service.
Acts of service. Ano ba? Ano nga ba ang acts of service?
Acts of service sa relationship. Ano?
Ano nga ba? Ako kasi pinagluluto.
Uwi na tayo.
Sorry, naglalamang ba ako?
Ay, medyo.
Sige, pasensya na po kung naglalamang po ako ngayon. Siguro kung sa engineering, alam ko na.
Ano?
I-enroll mo nga ako.
Totoo!
Naranasan ko rin yan.
Totoo.
I-enroll mo nga
O
ako.
sige, pahingi na lang ng student ID
Akin
number.
na yung ID mo, isasabay kita sa enroll.
Right? Or kahit yung parang, it's a friend asking you, halimbawa, sa org work, nasa org work ka.
Oo.
Then, a friend of yours, parang naghihintay sa'yo kasi sabay kayo mag-lunch and then, kasi na-experience ko
Ako
to
din,
Actually,
as part of the org.
tag dito, one time, pipictorial kami for our set of officers. So, ang nangyari, medyo natagalan yung medyo natagalan yung picture taking. Tapos, a friend of mine, she texted me. Sabi niya sa akin, Yeza, anong lunch mo? Tapos sabi ko, ano available, ganyan-ganyan. Basta binilhan niya ako ng lunch. Naghintay sila doon for hours. I mean, not really hours. For a couple of minutes. Kasi, syempre, 1 hour lang yung lunch. Tapos, ang ginawa nila, since hindi pa talaga ako bumababa, dala-dala nila yung plato.
Dala-dala nila.
Umakyat sila sa A33.
Third floor.
Third floor.
Third floor.
Yeza, kain na. Parang sa akin,
Sige, kakain ka na lang.
Diba? Parang, doon din ako na-touch. Hindi mo lang siya sa hindi mo lang siya, yung acts of service, hindi mo lang siya ililimit sa parang mga engineering concepts lang din. Parang, as an engineering student na nagsusurvive every day sa kanyang degree, sa kanyang program,
Yes.
alam mo yun, yung mga little acts or mga little gestures of love from your friends, from your loved ones.
Your loved ones.
Parang, parang nabubuo ka niya.
Parang it makes you happy.
It makes you happy.
Sometimes very stressful.
Fulfilled,
naman.
satisfied.
Yes.
It makes your day complete.
It
na
makes
parang,
your day complete talaga.
while I am pursuing my career, there's someone, there are a lot of people for me, supporting me along the way. Even sa mga maliliit na gawain.
Yes, and also even sa mga when you feel things.
Yes.
When you feel down, there are friends to back you up.
Oo. Yung parang, when parang halimbawa, bagsak ako sa quiz. Ano ba yan? Tara, kain tayo.
Tara, Belandos.
Tara, Belandos.
Tara, Jollibee.
Tara, Jollibee. Tara, Lumpiolas.
It's always nice to have a friend nearby.
Yes. Next is,
I believe last na.
receiving gifts.
Receiving gifts.
Receiving tres.
Period.
Receiving tres.
tres.
Receiving a passing score. Receiving, Receiving a good score, a good mark. Diba?
Yes, receiving a good mark. Yun lang talaga. Sa engineering kasi, once you receive a tres, once you receive a good mark, 1, 2,
Oo, or
okay na eh.
finding out that you don't have to take the remedial exam anymore.
Finding out you passed the
oh my
exam.
God. Thank you, Lord. Lalo na kapag nangyari yan sa kasagsagan ng Pasko.
Yes.
Thank you, Lord Jesus
Masarap
Christ.
ang
Salad at mango graham.
At mango graham. Lalo na
diba?
pag when you open your portals, nakita mo, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
Kompleto lang ang sahog ng salad.
Berde siya, ma.
Berde. Kompleto ang sahog ng salad. Hindi tinipid ang mango graham.
Right?
Ganon ang effect.
Ganong effect.
Pag nakakatanggap tayo ng
parang kahit
yes.
walang mango, yung mango graham, parang kapag kinagat mo siya, may mangga siya.
May mangga. Ganon ang effect.
Ganon yung effect.
1, 2, 3.
Diba?
Ng receiving gifts sa ating mga engineering community.
Totoo. So, yun yung receiving gifts para sa, diba?
Para engineering.
Totoo, physical touch, words of affirmation, quality time, receiving gifts, acts of service. Ay, tapos na.
Tapos
Okay,
na natin
tapos na.
ma-mention ang love languages in the aspects
Oo.
of engineering and architecture.
I hope na-correlate naman natin ng maayos, diba? Pero,
Maayos para sa
we are
listeners.
speaking from experiences din
Yes.
kasi.
We are always talking from our experiences na pwede namin maibahagi, pwede namin ma-share sa aming mga listeners, sa YouTube, sa Facebook,
Yes.
and all social media
Oo.
platforms out there.
Also, I believe, engineering and architecture, pwede siyang ma-equate din into a love story.
Yes, pwede talaga siya ma-equate into a love
Oo.
story.
May mga chapters, may mga kabanata siya eh.
Kabanata 1, Kabanata 2, Kabanata 3.
Yes. Ano kayong kabanata 1?
Feel ko for the freshman year, siguro di ba pag when you first enter a relationship,
Yes.
first few months, let's say, the honeymoon phase.
Yeah, the honeymoon phase.
And since, kumbaga sa
Parang
engineering,
nasa cloud 9 pa.
yes. Kasi engineering, ano yan? First year or
freshman year.
Yes. And pwede rin natin yan makorelate. Kumbaga, new notebooks,
New calculator.
new calculators,
Tapos,
new pens.
ito mo, drafting table ko, ang ganda. Parang
Wala akong
ganon.
drafting
Ay,
table
sorry.
eh.
Ako din naman.
So, kumbaga, this love month, we can also make it about the engineering
community.
Yes.
Parang, kasi sa honeymoon phase ng relationship, andun yung kaya mo maglaan ng oras.
Yes.
Kaya mo maglaan ng effort. Kaya mong hamakin ang lahat.
Kaya mong tawirin.
Lahat ng
dagat.
ilog, ng dagat,
Yes.
ng bundok. Kasi, hindi naman sa sinasabi ko na parang, alam mo yun, first,
Na hanggang dun lang.
hanggang dun lang, na parang, ito lang, honeymoon hanggang honeymoon phase
Yes.
lang. Pero, alam mo yun, sa engineering and archi naman, yung, freshman year kasi, parang andun yung optimistic ka pa talaga sa lahat.
Yes.
Yung parang,
Na parang lahat.
feeling mo makaka-allot ka ng time, tapos you can still do your
hobbies.
hobbies.
Masisingin mo yung pickleball, badminton.
Pickleball! Iniwan mo kami sa kanal.
Badminton. Or playing games.
Yes.
Mobile Legends, coding.
Oo.
Kung ano, may sisingit mo pa talaga lalo sa freshman.
Reading. Writing, yung mga hobbies mo talaga na as in, nagagawa mo back when you were in senior high,
Yes.
back when you were in junior high. Tapos, syempre, since new environment, you were really optimistic about it. Even me. When I was in my first year, akala ko,
Very exciting.
very exciting.
But it is exciting.
It really is.
Especially in the first parts. Of
First
your
parts,
years.
yeah.
Yes.
Yun nga, very hopeful, very optimistic. Parang, akala natin, lahat tayo, we thought challenging meant interesting. Kasi, yun nga, we still don't know what's out there.
Kung ano pa yung susunod na
Yes.
phase.
Yes. Sunod ng honeymoon phase, what do you think?
Of course, tapos yung kilig. Tapos
Yes,
yung
kilig
happy
phase,
moments.
yeah.
And of course, dyan na magsisimula yung away.
First heartbreak.
First heartbreak.
Yes.
First away. First conflicts. First misunderstanding.
First misunderstanding.
And
At ang katumbas nun sa engineering,
first failed quizzes.
first failed exam.
Exams.
Or first failed board
board work.
Okay.
Yes. And this is parang the part where engineering is starting to kick in.
Yes.
Na, engineering ang
Parang-
pinasok ko.
Kung sa relationship, parang may mga unti-unti kang nare-realize.
Yeah, there are glimpses of realization.
Yes. Dito naman sa engineering, parang ang katumbas naman nun is it's like you studied hard. You studied for how many days, for how many nights, and you still got humbled.
Yeah, you got humbled by engineering.
Yes.
That's when you really start na
Oo.
first year, of course, honeymoon phase nga. Second year, parang, oh no, parang I di
Ando na
naman
yung
seeing
questioning. Parang sa relationship, is it right na ipagpatuloy
Na
ba
andito
to?
ako.
Is it right? Am I where I want to be?
Yes. Doon na nag-start na you lose time to doing your hobbies.
Yes.
And more on, kumbaga sa engineering academics.
Parang parang it's like balancing love and career din as
Love
well.
and career. Very well said.
Kasi parang, yes, mahal kita, but I also want a future for us.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Yes, I love you, but
ganun.
let me finish this first.
Yes.
Yes, but ganun.
Proper communication.
Proper time management.
Yes.
Yes, communication
When-
and time management.
Parang pag napagsama sila together,
It will work out.
Bearable.
Bearable.
Bearable whether ang engineering and architecture or ang relationship.
Yes.
Pero hindi, parang easier said than done.
It's easier said than that. And also, I wanna quote, kasi yesterday, GA namin,
GA.
and to Sir Benjamin Delgado, he said na sa engineering kasi, of course, there are phases talaga you will feel very excited. You'll feel fulfilling na nakakasolve ka ng problems.
Yes.
Then you will start to realize na you're failing your exams. You're failing your quizzes. And eventually, you will feel demotivated.
Yes.
And he mentioned na, just like sa relationship, this is where it starts to feel uncomfy. But Of course,
But
despite
what matters is you stay.
you are staying.
You are staying
Despite-
even sa mga uncomfy parts.
Yes.
Either ng engineering
It's-
or the relationship.
It's a decision.
Oo.
If you want to stay during those rocky moments or
Yes.
you want to
What
back up.
matters kasi is how fixed your mindset is.
Yes, on a single goal or of course a future na you
Yes,
want for
totoo.
yourself.
Totoo.
And sa relationship, sometimes we ignore that. Yung red flags.
Red flags.
Kahit pagod ka na. Kahit may mali naman na talaga, you keep ignoring them. Just for example, sa engineering, sometimes optional na lang sleep.
Yes, totoo.
But
Optional lang.
of course,
sleep.
sometimes we ignore it para lang makastudy more on
Oo.
topics na we miss.
Kasi parang laging we can never be, parang hindi mo feel talaga ever na prepared ka
Yes,
for
parang,
a quiz.
parang kahit hindi sabihin na magki-quiz, parang any moment may quiz.
May pop quiz.
May pop quiz. Kaya dapat you should always be ready talaga. And
Oo.
meron pa, professors who say na madali lang.
Totoo.
Well, it's madali lang pag nag-aaral ka.
Yes, madali siya pag inaral mo and kapag, alam mo yun, nag-sync talaga sa puso't
Sa
isip.
kokote mo, no? Sa kokote
Over
mo.
sa kokote,
Alam mo
pero
talaga,
yes. oo.
yung alam mo talaga, hindi lang yung, ay, alam ko to.
Yes,
Pero
hindi
wala
lang ganun
naman.
eh.
Mm-mm.
Ano kasi, tawag dito, madali lang siya pag nare-realize mo na unti-unti. Especially if, halimbawa, ang statics, madali siya. Kapag nagsistrema ka na,
Yes.
doon mo siya nare-realize na,
It's a process.
oo nga no, ang dali lang pala ng statics. Kasi, mas mahirap nga yung tinalunan mo. Mas mahirap na yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon.
Yes. And kasi when you're studying, you should, as personal you should always start from the basics.
Yes.
Kasi kumbaga, sa engineering, you will not have a proper infrastructure without a solid foundation.
Totoo. Very good.
So when you're
Very
studying major topics, hard subjects, it's always a good thing to start from the basics. And you will work your way up hanggang sa magamay mo na yung mga subjects na yun or yung mga lessons na present sa'yo ng professor.
Pero alam mo, syempre, starting a relationship and parang, yun na nga, starting a program, parang nagsastart ka sa program. Despite the first heartbreak or the heartbreaks na naramdaman mo, despite the red flags you ignored,
The failed quizzes.
the failed quizzes, parang ang pinakamaganda dun is you stay or you're staying despite everything.
You're still fighting
Diba?
for the future, for
Yes.
your future.
Kasi yun na nga yung sabi na ni Sir Ben,
Yes.
na parang sa uncomfy parts, pag nagstay ka doon, that is where parang real love, parang that is where real love kicks in.
Yes. Parang kumbaga, that's when you start building
Yes.
yourself.
Parang sa love lang. Hindi porke nawala yung spark, kilig, and excitement.
You'll give up.
It's not there
Yes.
anymore, na parang yung love ay wala na anymore. That is where real love starts.
Yes. Saka yung mga, saka yung mga sparks, yan, it's Mayday. If you want to make an effort to strive harder, to make sparks,
Yes.
to
Magkakaroon
bring back
at
those
magkakaroon.
sparks, magkakaroon yan. Nawala, what will you do? Strive for it.
Yes, and
Work hard
maghanap ka ng mga dahilan para magstay.
Yes.
Right?
Not because you're presented with an option na, ay, ayoko na.
Oo.
No, keep on finding reasons for you to stay.
Okay. So first na reason to stay, you invested too much already. Ang dami mo nang na-invest na time and effort para umalis ka pa.
Ano isipin mo? Of course, nag-effort ka na, masasayang.
Masasayang.
If you just quit. So, sometimes although there are times naman talaga na you should recognize na napapagod ka na.
Yes.
But
Need
also
mo
there
rin
are
i-acknowledge
also
yung part na yun.
times na you should, sige, I will pursue it. I will fight for it. There's also times na need mo yun.
Sa engineering to. However,
However,
sa love,
parang wag ka na tutuloy if there are so many red flags
yes,
already.
if there are so many red flags
Like, wag
already.
na naman magbubulag-bulagan natin ko.
Diba? Doon sila nagkakalayo. Doon
Yes.
sila
nag-split.
Ganyan.
Doon sila nagiging parallel lines.
Right? Kasi, relationship-wise, even though you invested too much already, if hindi talaga siya mag-work, hindi talaga siya mag-work.
Hindi talaga
diba?
siya mag-work. Pilitin ang hindi talaga for you.
Sa engineering naman kasi, you're there for a reason.
Yes, you were there for... Ibang ano na yan, ibang kwento.
Ibang kwento na yan.
aspect
Doon sila
na yan.
naghiwalay. So, yun. Engineering-wise, and architecture, another main reason to stay is you have friends who suffer
Yes.
with you.
Who suffer with you. And, ano lang, it's a big part of your college journey.
Totoo.
It's a big part. From first year,
Main highlight siya ng
Yes.
college journey mo.
it's a main highlight. You should surround yourself with friends who will be there for you,
Who brings out the best
who
in
brings
you.
out the best in you, and also will be there for you pag you feel down.
Yes.
Ma-fail man ng isang exam or
Oo.
makapasa,
Knowing that they're there.
they're there, iba rin talaga.
Iba rin talaga eh. Kasi, alam mo yun, yung pakiramdam na makakalimutan mo na bagsak ka sa isang quiz, bagsak ka sa isang exam, kapag nakasama mo na sila,
Yes.
you came home na nakangiti. Instead of sulking, crying dahil sa failed exam, parang, one of the reasons, ay, kaya ko naman yun sa sunod.
Tapos parang sasabi pa niya, failed ka? Kasi bawi tayo.
Oo.
Ganun, bawi tayo next ano.
Hanggang sa
You
eventually,
failed. Yes.
hala, bagsak ako. Anyway,
Yeah.
ganun na. Parang
bagsak ako?
iyon ka na.
Anyway, ano nga ulit yun? Parang gano'n na lang siya. Parang
Yes.
it becomes an inside joke sa
Yes,
ating friends.
totoo.
But of course, we should also
Hindi
learn
naman
from
na
it.
dino-normalize
Yes.
yung di ba? Still, mag-strive pa rin
Yes.
ng maigi.
You can see it as an inside joke, but don't take it seriously.
Yes.
Strive more. Study more.
Ano pa? Parang, ano pang reasons to stay? Parang yung mga small wins mo, it feels big.
Kasi, in the engineering kasi, nothing is small.
Nothing is small.
Nothing is small. Kasi, let's face it, all courses are hard. But, of course, we're talking about engineering. Engineering is very hard, of course, especially for yung non-STEM students na walang background sa engineering. No win is a small win. Lahat big wins.
Lahat
Lahat
big wins.
may pagod.
Naka-points,
lahat may effort.
nagkaroon ka ng point.
That's already
Kahit
a big
sabihin
deal.
mong diagram lang yan, it's a big win.
It's a big win. Lahat ng efforts natin dito
Counted siya.
sa courses, counted yun. There's no small wins, it's a win. It's a big win already. Now, you're here na sa engineering. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa course na engineering, it's already
Already a win.
Yes.
And last but not the least, yung parang nagkakaroon ka kasi ng notion na parang you can do or you can handle everything or you can do great things. You are capable of doing great things. Parang yun yung natatatak sa isip mo eh. Especially over the years, halimbawa first year, na-survive mo. Second year, na-survive mo. Third year, na-survive. Fourth year, na-survive. Until eventually, graduate ka na.
Parang naging mindset mo siya na, nagawa ko nga nagawa ko nga ma-survive first year, then when you come second year, nagawa ko nga hanggang sa, you keep seeing progress until eventually you reach your finish line, your goal, and then you start another goal. You start building your future.
Another goal, which is the board exam.
Yes, and after
getting
that,
a new
another
job.
goal. Yes.
So, alam mo yon, parang, syempre, relationship, it's about commitment. It's about commitment, and so is engineering and architecture.
Yes. You really need to commit sa engineering.
Yes,
Commit your
totoo.
time and commit your effort. Just like in a relationship.
Totoo. Kaya, dun namin na-conclude na engineering can also be equated.
Yes, equated into
Sa love story.
love aspect.
Diba?
And,
Grabe, ang galing lang. Parang
kumbaga how broad they are when they're separated. Pero when you really look at it, may
when you merge their
similarities,
concepts, may
may
similarities.
ka.
Parang, the patterns, pare-parehas.
Yes.
Tapos, makakapa mo siya na, ay, oo nga, no? It talks about commitment. It talks about heartbreak as well. It
Effort.
talks about effort, about time, about consistency. Andun lahat. Basta, engineering and relationship, there's, parang, we can conclude na parang, ano siya? Ganun.
Ganon siya.
So, I think
that
that's about it, no?
wraps up our podcast for this month of love. So this Valentine's Day, whether you're single, taken, or it's complicated, you're not a failed design. You're a work in progress. We are all a work in progress. So
Very well said.
Very well said. So
Nag-match pa kami, oh. Di ba?
Pink.
Right? Pink.
for this podcast sa Love Month. So this has been RD.
And I am Yeza.
And this has been Calle 5.
Bye.